Want to land your dream job without spending hours writing the perfect resume and cover letter? AI can now do it for you. In this video, I'll show you how to start an AI-powered resume and cover letter writing service that helps job seekers stand out without needing expert writing skills yourself. Let's dive in. The first step is leveraging AI to create professional resumes and cover letters in minutes. AI scans job descriptions, optimizes keywords, and formats everything to ATS-friendly standards, giving clients a major advantage in their job search. Who needs your service the most? Recent grads, professionals switching careers, and executives all need standout resumes to land interviews. Identifying your ideal clients will help you market effectively. Next, create a simple website showcasing your resume packages, pricing, and success stories. Offering different tiers like basic resume creation, full cover letter packages, or LinkedIn profile optimization can help you maximize your earnings. Marketing is key. AI tools can write high-converting social media posts, generate email sequences, and even provide job search tips to attract new clients. Leverage platforms like LinkedIn, Fiverr, and Upwork to reach job seekers in need. Once you start getting clients, automate your workflow. AI chatbots can handle inquiries, while scheduling tools can book consultations. So you can focus on scaling your business instead of managing every request manually. Want to streamline your entire process? Toolq.com is the ultimate AI-powered platform that helps you generate resumes, optimize cover letters, and automate client interactions, all in one place. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, Toolq.com makes it easy to deliver high-quality results fast. Check it out in the link below. And that's how you launch an AI-powered resume and cover letter writing service. AI handles the hard work, and you help job seekers land interviews. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.